In a beautiful village lived a 10-year-old boy named Ali. Ali was curious and loved learning new things, but he lacked confidence. Whenever he faced a difficult task, he would think, "I can't do this." Behind his house stood a huge old tree. The villagers believed it was magical, but no one had ever discovered its secret. One day, Ali returned from school feeling sad. His teacher had asked him a question in class, but he was too afraid to answer. Some children laughed, and Ali felt embarrassed. He went to the backyard and sat under the old tree. The wind was blowing gently when suddenly he heard a soft whisper. "Ali!" He looked around nervously. "Who's there?" "It's me, the tree." "Why are you sad?" Ali was shocked but somehow not terrified. "I am weak. I can't speak in front of others." A soft golden light appeared from the tree trunk. Every great tree once started as a tiny seed. If the seed believed it couldn't grow, would it ever give shade? Ali stayed silent. "Come," the tree said. "Let me show you something." Suddenly, Ali felt as if he was dreaming. He saw himself as a tiny seed buried in the dark soil. It was cold and heavy. Rain poured above him. "This is too hard," the seed thought. But slowly, it pushed upward. It reached sunlight, felt warmth, and over time grew into a strong tree. Ali opened his eyes and found himself under the tree again. "Do you understand?" the tree asked. "Difficulties make us stronger," Ali replied softly. The next day at school, the